This video will describe how to update the current mailing address within SOLUS Student Centre. Please note we will be using the development environment of SOLUS Student Centre for demonstration purposes. This screen illustrates the home page of SOLUS Student Centre. Select the tile called Profile. The left-handed navigation menu contains links to components within the Profile tile of SOLUS Student Centre. To edit the current address on file, select Addresses in the navigation menu. This screen illustrates two addresses, one being the current mailing address and the other being the admissions application address. Note that the admissions application address cannot be edited. Select the current mailing address to make changes. Within the Edit Address section, update the country, address, city, province, and postal code as necessary. Once finished, select Save. To return to the main page of SOLUS Student Centre, select SOLUS Student Centre in the top left corner.